Is it recording yet?
Yes.
Oh, well. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make classic shrimp scampi. This couldn't be easier. It takes less than 10 minutes, and I'm always craving shrimp scampi, so let's get started. This recipe takes less than 10 minutes on the stove, so I like to have all of my ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need the juice from a fresh lemon, plus some wedges for serving, then finally chop up some parsley. Also mince your fresh garlic, and the quickest way to peel it is to smash it with the side of your knife and it will pop right out of its shell. And do not skimp on the garlic. You can't have a good shrimp scampi without it. It adds a ton of flavor to the dish. Next, we prep the shrimp. I'm using peeled and deveined shrimp that have the tail on. I feel like the tails add a little extra flavor to the sauce. Season that with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat, then add a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Once the skillet is hot and that butter is done sizzling, add your shrimp in a single layer. If your pan isn't large enough to keep them in a single layer, cook them in batches. If you overcrowd the shrimp, they'll end up steam cooking and turn rubbery. You want them to get a good sear. Also, the shrimp are literally 1 to 2 minutes per side, so do not overcook them. Transfer the shrimp to a plate, then add another tablespoon of butter and oil, then add your minced garlic, and sprinkle in your red pepper flakes. These are optional but very nice. Then stir for 30 seconds or until fragrant. Now add your dry white wine and simmer for another 2 minutes or until the liquid is reduced by half. Squeeze in your fresh lemon juice and return the cooked shrimp back to the skillet and toss everything to coat. And last but not least, turn off the heat and stir in your fresh chopped parsley. Oh, that's a shrimp scampi. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look so good? Doesn't it smell good? Ah, garlic, butter, white wine, all the things. Oh my goodness. Okay, we gotta jump into this taste test because my mouth is watering. I'm not gonna be able to talk for much longer if I don't get one of these in my mouth. Okay, also at the end, season to taste. If you need to, add a little more salt and pepper. I think it's pretty good the way it is. You can serve this over pasta. You can serve it by itself. I also like to serve it with some crusty bread. I've got some sourdough bread that I've baked just to soak up the pan sauce because you don't want to miss that. It's so good. I think we should do a little taste test, Drew. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This looks very good.
Oh my gosh. Normally we would have a fork, but who has time for that? Dip it in that sauce.
Oh yeah.
Give it a little once over. Slathered. I like it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Mmm.
That's good.
10 out of 10. You know this takes less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes? Gonna make me 10 more batches though.
More batches. This means you can make it without me. I really want to try it with some bread to soak up the sauce because I can't not. And this way you can serve it as an appetizer too, just with some bread. That's what I call lunch. Okay, here we go. It's a lot. It's a big bite there.
Mmm.
Wow.
That's really good flavoring.
Really good. You just double dipped, but I won't tell. We're gonna annihilate this so fast. I hope you guys love it. Let me know how you guys love to serve your shrimp scampi. Also, we have more great shrimp recipes in my cookbook. Dun, 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 dun. If you haven't got your hands on it already, doing a little Vanna White thing here. I will link to it in the notes, and let me know if you guys have any recipe requests. I always love to hear from you, and we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. The awkward wave at the end. Okay, bye guys.
See ya.
Okay, I need more.
I'm a sucker for garlic, so this is good.
There's a lot of garlic in here. It's so good. You know what I like to do? I like to bite kind of past the end of the tail here, and then you get the meat out of the tail.
All of it's used, none wasted.
That's what I'm talking about. Finger looking good, huh? Okay, cut.